We're still trying to figure this out. Let's get the show rolling. We have a Tacoma to restore today. $4:30, we gotta get the show rolling. I gotta go to AutoZone, pick up a headlight restoration kit. I gotta save some money. I gotta turn all these lights off. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm not doing that well, especially after the news I heard today. The sellers of the house I'm buying decided to take a trip. Go somewhere fun when they know the closing date. They knew the closing date and they decided to take a fun little trip. So now I feel like I'm being scammed out of my house. So now we're really cutting it close, and I hope it's actually the fact that they took a trip somewhere, because I'm seriously about to pull up to the house and just see if they're actually there. I know that sounds creepy, but like, I would just like to do a quick drive-by, you know what I'm saying? Like, just to know if they're lying or they're actually trying to scam me. So I'm gonna be doing that today, probably in this video. But right now, I do have a Tacoma I have to restore. So I am gonna be restoring the headlights. They're very, very, very foggy. I don't know, I already had a kit I bought from AutoZone a while ago, and like, I don't even know where it went. So I have to buy another one, but they're not that expensive, but they are still pretty up there. They're like, I think 40 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. It comes with like the whole sanding and the clear coat and stuff like that. Excuse me. What we have in the garage, we still have the Mustang. I don't know if Grant Wood is gonna reveal that car yet. It's a car that he bought months ago, and he's just now editing the video for it. I forgot my keys to the car, so I do have the 350Z with me. I am actually selling it. I did mention that very briefly, just because I really wanted to manual swap it, but I don't have time for that, unfortunately. It's really warm in Michigan today. Lost my train of thought, but let's get going. I'm gonna head to AutoZone actually before I head to the shop. I just got out of AutoZone and I'm kind of annoyed because I just bought the one that doesn't require the power tool, and I didn't really know that until I started looking at it. I'm like, oh dang, this one doesn't even require a power tool. But I really like the one that requires the power tool, and what you basically just stick the sandpaper in here. Like, there's like a little metal shaft that you stick in here and you tighten it, and then you could just use this to like sand. But now I have to do it all by hand. And I know what you're saying, you're like, you Christina, you're literally right in the parking lot. You can go in right now and return it. But I just don't want to do that. I don't want to get out of my car again. Like, just make your appointment for Tuesday and then we'll figure out a time on Wednesday. We gotta look cute for the TikTok iPod. We got the headlight restoration kit. We got the water bottle, the phone. And I need to bring you guys into this. Okay. That's the cool thing about a Z. The door is so heavy, it just turns off. It just closes by itself. Turns off. Yo, is the front door unlocked? This is locked too. Oh, he's right there. He just waved. Okay, so he's here. All right, I don't know how to close the camera, how to turn it off. What's up?
Come on in.
Thank you. Okay, so obviously you guys know Ed. So that is the shop owner. He doesn't know I'm doing this because the Tacoma is right here. So even if I restore the headlights, like, he won't see it because the headlights are obviously all the way tucked away in this corner. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be restoring today. He is supposed to be going on a trip within the next couple of days, but like, I don't want to wait until he leaves. So I'm just gonna do the headlights for today, make it very subtle. This car's been here for like so long, so I know he's not gonna be moving it, especially when he's about to leave. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get this done. I forgot, I haven't shown you guys the actual Tacoma. I haven't even explained what I was gonna do. So I did briefly explain what we were gonna be doing to the Tacoma in the beginning of this video, which was obviously restore it. 1, it's not mine. 2, it's supposed to be a surprise. So this is the condition it's in right now, literally on training wheels or dolly or whatever you wanna call it. I like calling them training wheels because that's what it reminds me of. And I don't even know if it runs yet. I have to figure out if it's actually gonna run or not, because let me show you the interior. This is what it looks like. Or listen to that. That sounds Okay, I literally have to do this super quick because I don't want the owner, Ed, the shop owner, Ed, I'm just gonna call him Ed from now on, passing by here, because usually he will walk by here to like go to the other room. But if he does come here, I have to act like I'm working on my stuff because these are all my parts. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to finish as quickly as possible. It shouldn't take any longer than like 15 minutes. We are unboxing the products. I have so many different, I have 5 different ceramic headlight coatings. We got 2 1000 grits, and then we got 1 2000 grit, and then 1 3000 kit. Okay, don't yell at me, but I kind of forgot to buy yellow tape. So I'm just gonna try to be extra careful and not get any of the products on the actual car paint. So, yeah. Okay, we just went in with the oxidation remover. So now we gotta wait until that dries. I could be starting on the other side while I wait for it to dry, but like I really want to see the difference. So now we're gonna use this little grip holder since we're not doing any power tools. Let's see. It's just a little Velcro handlebar, so we're just gonna attach it like that. I'm lazy, okay. Just finished with the 1000 grit sandpaper, and so far obviously you can see there's absolutely no oxidation on the left one in comparison to the right one. It's like my little sister may be stopping by because she wants to install some lights on the interior of her car. And now we are gonna change the grit. Let's use 2000. It's definitely a lot clearer. I just did the wet water test. Filling water all over it gives you a good reference point on what it's gonna look like with the clear coat. You can see it's not totally clear, but it's definitely a lot better than this. My sister's supposed to be here any minute. Oh, this smells, bruh. Okay, it's not the best looking job I've done, but it's definitely a lot better than it was. All right, that's what it looks like. Not terrible. Definitely a lot better, right? Right? Please tell me. Just in time, my younger sister has arrived. Let's see what lights she is talking about, but let's go ahead and open this so she can pull her car in. Let's see. There she is. I have no idea what she's installing, but yeah, look at the new wheels. So nice. That's good. So can you show me what lights you're talking about?
Yeah. They just got delivered today. Okay.
Are they like interior lights?
Yeah.
But why do you need?
Because they're fun.
I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm just gonna show you when I'm all done, okay? I feel bad. Missed a step, totally forgot to use the oxidation remover. Yikes. Okay, so I think Ed actually clocked out because like I don't hear any more ruckus, but we have finally finished restoring the headlights. So we're done for today. I have to let the clear coat obviously dry. Veronica is still installing her like ambient lighting on the interior. Not sure how long that's gonna go for. This is obviously a universal kit, so it's like not meant to like fit specifically this car, which is like a good and bad thing, and also like
I mean, I think so. Maybe should I try it on the other side?
how are you expecting to wire this up?
That's not for my car.
Wait, so what are you using?
Using.
Oh, okay, cool. You have one of those USB things, but I don't know if those USB things actually work. You know, on that radio that I wired up for you, that screen?
No, they work.
They work?
Yeah.
So the sun has setted, and I'm trying to make a TikTok with all of my sisters since Tanya pulled up as well in her Mitsubishi Eclipse, but Veronica is still wiring up the ambient lighting. I think she's like pretty much almost done. I am so hungry. I want food, but I also want to go to the gym. So we got to wrap things up right here. This ain't working. We're the only ones at the shop right now. Everyone left, so I'm gonna have to be the one who closes. Also, if you guys are wondering where this wrap is from, it is from Vinyl Frog. I believe it's called their Violet Purple, like high gloss violet purple metallic, something like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The bends look so good. I think I did a really good job on it. It took me 3 tries, 3 different times. I customized it, made it look different, had different sets of wheels, different sets of wrap, different sets of grill, headlights, and it literally took me 3 times to actually make it look good. but now it looks great. Okay, so this is what we got it looking like so far. Let me just do some focusing. Obviously, there needs to be a better job done with tucking all the wires, but we're kind of in a rush because we want food and TikTok. Also, future plans for this car. We are planning on doing some type of resonator delete or muffler delete. These cars do sound pretty good for doing just something like that, and it's pretty cheap, so we don't have to do a full aftermarket exhaust. And we also plan on painting the calipers right here. Maybe we're gonna match it to the actual wrap or do a different color. Not sure, we're gonna figure it out. I think white would be nice too. It might complement that, but it'll get dirty fast. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, I gotta be quick because I have 3 minutes, but I'm just gonna use this Miata as a mount because I'm gonna be moving the cars real quickly, so be right back. We're still trying to figure this out. But we're getting there, we're getting there. Oh my god, oh my gosh, she just got a manicure, totally forgot. I gotta go close the shop. Okay, finally, time for dinner. We are all gonna be mobbing together. This is so crazy. I've like built, I should be using this light. Grant's gonna kill me. But I was gonna say, this is so crazy. This is the first time I've had all 3 cars together and we're all just driving and cruising together, like all 3 sisters. And it's just so like, it's so nice. I'm so happy. Like I've never like, this is like basically what I've been working towards, is having like all of my siblings have nice cars and we can all just cruise together. I know I should be using this light, Grant. If you're watching this, don't yell at me. I don't want to use the light because it's literally gonna blind me while I'm driving. But yeah, I have like 2 minutes left on this, what's it called? In this like SD card, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and we're just gonna go eat right now and I can't wait for the next one. I love you guys so much and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.